Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Marie, and today I am doing my Pride Mani. Woo woo. Alright, I've got Blue-depest here, which is a beautiful blue neon. And then one piece of me, just so pretty, tie-dye from 2020. The Blue-depest is from 2020 also. So let's get into it. Ooh, see that? Okay, scared me for a second. I thought it was going to be melty. This is my absolute favorite neon. Love this blue. I have got so many of it. It's so pretty. This neon I've never had fade on me. I think it's like the newer ones. Whoa, what was that? Uh-oh. There we go. There. Ooh, good save. Seems like the newer ones I've seen fade. Either that or I just haven't ever noticed them fading. I'm not sure which. However, the last one I wore, it was new, it was pink, and I hadn't actually realized that it faded until like I was taking it off or something. I'm gonna move these out of the way, my arm keeps bumping them. Oh yes, so pretty. I picked it, the Blue-depest, because there's just a tiny little bits of blue or aqua blue in this, so I thought it would pull them out. I was hoping anyway. Oh, I get nervous with these older sets, worrying that they're going to stick to the paper. Can't really see that I tore it. It's that real thin strips that are really thin. It's like, is that a shimmer? Oh, I love that. I've never worn this before. I love it. Love it. That's the same. Oh, that one would have been cool too. I mean, I love them to mirror, but I love that. Oh, that is what's on there. Okay. Awesome. See this silver backing, this kind, they're pretty thin, so they tear really easily. They're very fragile if you're going to try to manipulate them. I do wish they did their sets to mirror. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I guess I could just not wear them if they don't mirror each other. But I can't. I mean, I'm not big in the designs. I'm trying to get big into wearing the designs. Whoa. Oh, I just love this blue. Love it. Forget, I don't have to keep that on there while I'm doing all this, since I can't use it for both nails. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Did I even stretch that one? So, so, so pretty. Love that. Oops. There. That was easy. It's really cute together. Really wasn't sure. I couldn't do all, if I did all my nails with this, it just would be too much for me, too busy. But I had to go pick and choose which nails to put it on to get these, because the other ones are like the thumbs are more in the middle, and it's so harder to get them on there nicely. You know what I mean? Like if I have to cut it or anything like that to get it to go on there right. I just am not great at measuring and cutting and then being gentle with it. My hands are so rough with things. Surprised I can like do the trimming on the edges without ruining them. Oh, I love this. Love it. Such a cool set. The tie-dye, it's so cool. Here comes Lulu. Hate wasting that other end. I bet I could have maybe gotten 2 nails with that strip. I don't know. Sometimes it'll look like you can, and then you try to do it and it sticks on there, but you can't. Then you gotta go and take your polish off, and it's just like a mess. Oh, this is such a cool set. So, see, like this. I'm gonna need to cut this down to get it. I want that. But if I do that, will it stretch far enough for me? Ugh, I don't know. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna pre-cut it. I am just going to attempt this. Do I want it? Wait, I want it. The yellow? No. Okay. Okay. Oh, did it. hope the other side can go good like this because it's shorter. I mean, not the other side, my other thumb. We shall see. This is just so cute. I love it. I mean, for not liking designs, I'm not crazy about them. Trying to, but I really like this one. I think this is so cute. So we got it a little short right there, darn it. Okay. Let's see. Whoa. Okay. I did it that way. Didn't really need it. Yeah. That's it? Yeah. Yay. Oh, the blue's not really there. That's okay. Let's see if I can get this without going too short on it. Oops. Okay, that didn't take long at all. Look how cute. A little bit of cleanup. It's so cute. I love it. Thank you for watching. Love is love. And I will see you next time. Ciao.